Good morning, fellow Plexers. This is a part 2 video for Richard, who's not able to assign a profile picture under the beta version of Windows for a profile he's created. So I'm on my bench system with Windows 11 running, and I do have the beta of Plex running. 1.41.0.8930. And I'm accessing this through the localhost web app. So this is the user I created yesterday on a test server running on my Synology NAS, and I was able to add a profile picture from my Linux desktop. I'm running, what am I running? Pop! OS 22.04 based on Ubuntu 22.04. So what I want to do first is I want to see if I can edit this guy here. Alright, so it didn't change up here. It doesn't look like I can edit it. And let's try this fresh. Save changes. Save changes just keeps reappearing, but the profile picture doesn't happen there. So I am logged in under localhost on this system, just like any Windows user might do by finding Plex down here and opening it up. So what I want to do is, let's go to app.plex.tv just in case. Just in case. Okay, so let's get into my manage library. We can make this full screen. Oh, wrong screen. Click into the test beta user, profile, edit, choose a photo. And nothing happens up here. So now let's downgrade Plex. Alright, so where am I? I'm not in Windows very often. Let's exit Plex. This server should disappear. The whole thing disappears because I'm logged into the web app through the local host. So let's go to alright, so 8921 is the current stable version. So this will downgrade Plex nicely to stability. I have to say I gave up Windows in 2006 and I do not miss it one bit. Okay, and we're back. So if we go check, now we've got the stable version listed there. And let's try this again. And still nothing. Isn't that interesting? All right, let me pause the video and just find another image just in case it's the image. And I'm back. This time I found a PNG file, which is the type of file I used on my Linux desktop because I found a profile picture I liked, but it wasn't in the right format, so I used GIMP to convert it to a PNG. Let's just test this out. And that's the answer. I don't know if this is a bug or not, but it did not like a JPEG, and a PNG file worked fine. So I know a lot of you Windows users have never heard of this program. But that's what I use. I make some posters in it when I need to and do conversions, and if I'm on my desktop I use it for screenshots. It's an open source program, and you can at least convert JPEGs to PNG. So let me pause this video, and I will upgrade back to the beta version and see if this works. I'll find a different PNG photo also to change to. Be right back. And I'm back. So I upgraded the server again to now running the beta.8930. And what I've done is I've grabbed another PNG file. We'll see if we can switch to this one. Let's make this full screen. I'm not used to all this double clicking here and there and then single clicks. I like the single Linux click all over. Employee, open, save changes. And we've saved changes. So I don't know if this is a bug upstairs. I'm going to run it again on my Linux server and see if a JPEG will go in and just make a notation in the description of this video. But it's a bug that's easily overcome by finding the profile picture you want to use and converting it to a PNG file. And if you don't have any Windows software to do that, install GIMP. It'll work fine. Alright, thanks for watching, and Richard, I hope this works. Let me know if it doesn't.